We love to do what families do. We can talk to each other. We can talk to Jehovah. We know He cares a lot for me and you, 'cause He loves all kinds of people, and He loves your family too. This is my family, and everyone is special. This is my family. We may be big or small, but we are a family. Jehovah really loves my family. We can do things together. We can do things forever if we just listen and obey. We need someone to guide us. We need someone beside us who'll be there every single day. So Jehovah made the family, and I'm glad that I can say this is my family, and everyone is special. This is my family. We may be big or small, but we are a family. Jehovah really loves my family.
I'm so happy that you're my friend, just like David and Jonathan. You're always there. Thank you for you. You love Jehovah, I do too. That's why we're best friends, stuck like glue. You're always there. Thank you for you. We laugh and play, study and pray. We love to walk with Jehovah each day. And when we're in paradise, it will always be this way. And we have brothers, sisters too, who love Jehovah like we do. You're always there. Thank you for you. And I'm always here. Thank you for you.
Wherever you go, you will have family near. Because wherever you go, Jehovah's people are there. And you'll feel love. You'll feel love, a brotherly love. So feel the love. Oh, brothers and sisters all over the world, unite with Jehovah and follow His Son to bring you love. A nation of a brotherly love. To feel love. Our Father provides for us all. No one left over. Deep in the jungle or on mountain tide, in big modern cities or on islands afar, you belong. You belong to the people of God. Feel the love. Our Father provides for us all. No one left over. But in the world it can be cold, a scary place, truth to be told. So how wonderful it is to know the one true God and His people. Oh, Jesus, He taught His disciples to love. So millions of people as a nation, they show Jehovah's love. And you belong among all of them. To feel the love. To feel the love.
Sa pangutana, unsay pinaka-importante aron mabautismuhan ka bisan bata pa ka?
Magpagpahinungod, pinagi pagampot.
Okay, dahil salamat na sa negat kay nga tubag ni Vince. Pero kana ba angay natong himuon? Usa pa yung may laing nga pwede natong mahimo para mabautismuhan sis?
Igugma si Jehova o musunod kay Jesus.
Okay, kana no? Pwede po na makatabang na posible nga mabautismuhan ng usa bisan bata pa. Okay, dili ta karon sa ikaduhang nga pangutana. Unsay kinahanglan himuon aron mabautismuhan? Una itong pangutanon si Vince.
Nga makita sa atong ginahimo nga gusto natong magpabautismo.
Okay, kana no, dako na ikatabang na makita po, reflect ba sa tuang gikinabuhian niya, gusto kita mo pabautismo. Nya dayon, mao gyapon nga pangutana. Unsay kinahanglan himuon aron mabautismuhan? Napabaylahin himuonis?
Musangya, mutambong sa tikom, magkumento sa magkumento, mulikay sa mga butang tuntan niyo ba, mupili o mga higala na nahigugma ang niyo ba.
Okay, salamat to sa mga bata na ito na interview karon si Vince ug si Ace.